Hello everybody, I came back on today because I'm going to do, this is going to be hard to describe, but basically what I'm doing is I'm doing low power, low thermal kind of gatherings, or if I do second effects at doing that. I got out of the material trader when we went material hunting. I've been hunting all morning. I'm trying to, this will be transferred to a video later is what I'm doing this for. And what I'm going to do is make it to where it's, like I said, less thermo or whatever. I'm still mask locked. There we go. This is a grindy ass game, man. That's the only way to explain it. But I'm going to bring this over in front of me. Let's get rid of the jumping stuff here, so I can explain what the hell I'm doing. This is for my benefit only, actually. So, but this is. Okay, if you go do the Guardian stuff, obviously that's quicker than engineering us, you know, the power plants and busting out all them engineers loose and everything like that. So let's get rid of my message there. We don't need that in our face either. Now, what I'm doing is I'm going to go get the display capture so you can see, okay? I brought this up, but pay attention to this over here. See the clean thrusters? And a lot of them are going to be like that. The sensor's lightweight. So I'm getting rid of, you know, heat and weight, okay? Fast scan for that. The efficient multi-cannon, shield boosters, heavy duty, I'll keep that. Shield generator, enhanced low power is what I'm doing, because you still get some enhancements off of it at the with that. And then I know this goes against everything that the general pop does, but if you don't want a specialized ship and you're trying to keep everything like that, it should help multiply with the jump range and everything else with the Anaconda builds, okay? But again, for the two little accounts, this is, and it's based off the Guardian power plant and power distributor. You got to know that, because that's a 0.5, I can't remember what fraction you use, but heat, it's a very heat heavy kind of thing. So that's my thinking on that. Could be wrong, but we're trying it out. I got the materials now to go do that, because like we've been doing that bounty hunting stuff, and you know, the cargo doors have been stayed open pretty much, which lowers your total results, but that's alright, because that's what we went for, you know, and we call this engineering grinding and grinding money and all that kind of stuff like that. And then we'll work on the rank stuff later. I don't have any federal rank in this account here. This is the Iron Tanker 1 account. I don't even know where I can show you that at. I think it's over here. Yeah, you can see Commander Tanker, Iron Tanker 1. If you're interested in the friendship stuff, there it is. But let's go over to, it's quite a bit of jumps. It's 8 jumps away. I'm going to see Todd the Blaster to work on the, my main armaments are the over and under slots. You have the 4, then you have a 3 on the bottom is a cannon, okay, on the 3 slot, and then the 4 slot obviously is a multi-cannon, because I just think that's works for me. You know, you have to make up your mind. And you can do specialized stuff, but this is going to be an all-around go here, go there, do this, do that ship, basically, while we work on the other ones. And I have a cutter build kind of sort of the same way, and I'm not really happy with it, because it's just so much drifting, you know, like rubber banding. I can't even explain it, but it's like you pull up and you go like this down. Your ship keeps on going in this direction when you do that, and then there's like throttle control problems and things like that. I don't know if it's related to the heat, or I don't know what the hell the problem is. I just know there's a lot of floating. So anyway, all the little stuff in here, I'm getting rid of the I'm getting rid of heat, and I'm getting rid of the weight, okay? All the little stuff is going to be lightweight. Shield boosters, I don't even remember what the hell it was. What the hell I got on here? Shield boosters are heavy duty, I think, but I might change them. You know, everything's either efficient. The frame shift weight scanner, I did that as efficient. Beam laser, burst lasers are efficient. I run basically the 1 slots will be beam lasers, which I need to go ahead and get them, but we need to go get them done too while we're out here farting around with the engineers. They're started, they're not grade 5s. I'm doing whatever engineers I got unlocked, and I'm traveling around to get the grade 3s basically, between Felicity and Elvira. And I don't think Lee Chung is unlocked in here yet, which I can check that out while we're traveling real fast if I do it real fast. I think I gotta go do something for him. Where is he at? Lee. Where are you at, Lee? Well, too late. But we can check all that out when we get parked at Todd's to do the rest of the stuff, so we'll do that. I wish you could do that during the sub-cruising part. This is the best part to do that, but I can do it while I'm frame shifting around here too. We've got to fuel scoop a little bit, so let's lower down and get headed over in that direction, and then we'll take a look. Alright, where's Lee Chung? I don't even know if I got... Yeah, I didn't even get invited. Lee Chung, because you traded over to 50 markets, so yeah, I got to do that too, so... I got to just go back, I guess. Probably driving into the damn sun or something stupid. I'm keeping an eyeball on the fuel too. But the grade 3 shields can be done. Well, I can just go take a look. Let's go. Who the hell does shields? I think I got some of them done, but Elvira Martuk can take them up to grade 3 along with Didi, but I don't have Didi unlocked yet either, I don't think, for the shield boosters. But we'll slowly get them. As long as we can get the grade 3s, that's a start, you know. It has a shield generator, has 30% less power draw, plus 9% optimal strength, and minus 34% on your mass. So I'm hoping that gets a little bit better. Plus I'm changing my fighting style to not sitting here tanking like I'm tanking this sun here, not face hugging anymore. I'm doing it more like that, playing it out there like this, you know, boosting and hitting it. And we don't need to do that because we're going to get hot and damage some stuff, which we already did probably. But that's why I want to get rid of that heat loss, because that heat, boy, it just kills you. So that's the idea. I hope it works. We'll see. I'll bring up the chat box here too, because I still got it opened up from this morning, so I can bring her up. But we're going to try to do that, and I'm going to title this thing, I have to think of like a little catchy one, not for clickbait, but like what it is. It's going to be a Guardian power plant, Guardian distributor build, because of the big old heat that you got, but you get heat with the grade 5 upgrades to the other stuff too, so we'll see. And there's really no upgrades worth doing other than overcharged power plant and charge enhanced power distributor that I've seen anyway. So that's what we're doing. I did do the clean dirty drive thrusters, whatever. I think I'm at grade 2. I gotta go see Elvira too. Not Elvira, what's her face? The other one. Felicity Farce here, that one. We gotta do that, so but I'm using the Ionera quite a bit heavy now, so we're doing that. And I don't have anything on the multi-cannon, so we're going to do that. But anyway, I want to do the multi-cannon and the cannon upgrade first, and then put auto reload on both as a side effect, because it doesn't have any detrimental effects that I've seen according to Ionera. But again, it's like measuring 5 times and cutting once, so that's what that's about. But we'll see if this works. I think it's a good idea. It may not be, but we'll see. I put a lot of thought into it. Wasn't sure that I wanted to do it, but I have to watch my fuel too, because I'll be stupid enough to run out of fuel or some stupid thing. Because I'm really like, you know, I know the other upgrades are better, but nobody's really done an optimized thing. And the heat between the there is a difference between the grade 5s and the even the Guardian shit, but the Guardian stuff is easier to unlock, so if you just kind of tweak the other stuff a little bit, I think it might work. How many damn jumps do we got to get to this guy? Good lord. One more. But anyway, you know, wanted to get this done, and then we'll head over to Felicity Farce here and kind of finish up, and then see where we're at, because I started the shield boosters only at grade 1 or whatever like that, so all that little extra stuff I'll have to check out when we can do it. Good Lord, man. You're not going down on my heat at all. This big old white star, I guess. There it goes finally. But that's what I'm talking about. The heat is just outrageous. But we'll see. It loses heat faster, I can tell you that. But we'll see. Whatever happens to it, happens to it. I got Brew Tarquin unlocked, I think, in here. I don't remember, actually. We can check it out when we get to the... Well, you know what? We can check it. Well, I can't tell that way either. I think Brew's unlocked in here. Fujin Tea, remember all that? I know I did it. I don't know if I did it in the KM account or this account. You know what? We can tell this way. We can get around here and see where the hell we're going. How far is this place out? Trophy camp, not too far out. We don't have that much time, but we can check it real quick this way. Wish it was a better window for your damn engineers when you're doing something. You can bring it up. Okay. Yeah, Brew Tarquin. Yeah, see, we already got him. We got the pulse lasers and the burst lasers. Done. But yeah, cool. All right. Back. But we need to get our 2 beam lasers on the back of this thing too, because I think that does help. I got pulse lasers right now or something like that. I mean, they work, but not good enough. Just lose that weight. There we go. But I was happy I got Brew unlocked, and I've actually been there upgrading stuff like that. Like I said, it's hard to remember. You can get a notepad and write this down, write that down, but jumping over here, jumping over there, there's just so much outside of... It's not the 3 accounts. 3 is easy to remember, but the exact upgrades, what you do, where, and how, and who, and like that. But I'm gonna not gonna change the other one too much. But I'm gonna try this and see how it works out and see if we like it. Some other day, not today. This is just getting around all the places and making it work. Might head back on over to the CG and see how it works, because we're making a lot of changes. Thrusters are completely different. Remove the dirty drives and put this on here. So I got the Palin run done, and this one I think I got a lot to check out. Yeah, it was this one that we did Sunday, so we got that done. But we need to do the other stuff coming up. But yeah, we'll just go ahead and start going down in here too. I get Todd going. But anyway, and I'm talking to myself because I got to remind myself, do not put the second effects on until you get both rolled out, and then go back and put the autoloader on the big multi-cannon and the other one. And I got mechanical scrap to do it, but I don't know if I have enough for both. We'll see. If I can get them on a big multi-cannon, that'll be A-okay. I really got to read that to make sure there is no damn side effects, because I don't want no more heat, because the heat is just awful. And then the next thing we'll do is grab a Diamondback, put a couple SRVs on it, put a big 4-pack on it, because it's got a 3/8 fuel generator. So I can put a 4G, I might already have it, planetary vehicle thingy, and go out there and knock them out. Because you only need 4 modules for that, so I have enough nickel and cadmium and iron, whatever the hell you need to reload the repair and reload and all that stuff. Synthesizing. This is probably gonna be a long ways out, but that's alright. We ain't been here in a while. We're getting in pretty close though. As long as I get inside of about 10, I'll be happy, but don't look like I'm gonna get that far out, because it's only 14 degrees getting in there. Yeah, it's gonna be 20 degrees. That's alright, we can boost a couple of times. Not a big deal. Anyway, and I'll have the grade 3s with between the Elvira Martuk and the other one, we'll have that. This has already got the big frame shift drive one. That's what I'm saying. Everything is so much heat everywhere. So we're trying to cut that down a little bit, and the power draw too. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, just to upgrade the multi-cannon, that's all a good thing here. I should have done this before and I didn't even know it, but hunting for materials, and we was out of everything, and the one guy I'm helping out, which is basically my kid, so that account, he deleted all the damn materials when the legacy crap was in there because he needed the room. He only had 1,000, and they were going to get the doing that stupid 100 million credit mission with all the stuff. So that was a little bit crazy. I gotta remember to keep bringing that damn chat box up, and I'll never do it. Nothing's in there, so that's a good thing. I need to make this like really, really, really tiny so I can remember it. There we go. That's big, small, and fat, and shiny, and tiny. And I wish that stupid OBS, you could just minimize it. It's such a pain in the ass with just 2 monitors. I really need to get another graphics card. I got some old ones laying around here. Don't need no power to it. I just need something to make graphics to it, that's all. Stick it in the other slot. But I like running the same things though, and they're so expensive nowadays. That's why I don't. I really don't need it, because most time you're playing, you don't need that stuff. But I'm doing it in broadcasting stuff a lot more now. So the TV show, I guess you call it. All right, let's go get some stuff here. Oh no. And buy modifications to a night lock characters upgrade. Hand over bounty vouchers and our beautiful friendship will begin. Okay, well, we can go do that. Do we have any war zones or something in here? Or Hazrets or something? Let's see here. Reset. Check zone bounty vouchers. We need conflict zones, high security. Do we have any kind of planets like that? Ring planets? Not in here. Huh. But to get bounty vouchers, we could probably go to the nav beacon. Right? I thought we already unlocked them. Apparently not, though. Hard to remember where the hell you're at and stuff like that, but we can go get some bounty vouchers. That ain't no big deal. Whoop. Go to the nav beacon. I don't know if they have to be from this system or they can be from anywhere. That's what I don't know. I'm assuming this system, so let's go to the sun and see if we can find the nav beacon. And of course it's going to be around behind the planet, we can't see it, so there's an escape vector here. Can't be too hard to get 100 grand. Three ships or so. The little stupid little shits. Wait till we clear the planet and we'll go get them real quick. Always something you can't get on and just do what you want to do, can you? That's why he was never done before. Now we know, don't we? Okay, let's see here. I don't know if I want to stay in here and do it or just go do it somewhere else and come back. But it don't matter. Ain't 100,000 ain't no big whoop. Oh, come on. I don't have no damn interdictor either. So that wouldn't work. Maybe we'll get lucky enough to get a signal source where it's weapons firing and stuff. I don't have a pilot in here either, probably. Been a while. Yeah, woof, 307. Yeah, because I changed ships, so yeah. We're going to have to do this the hard way. Vulture. We got him in here. Alliance Enforcer. What's that? Maybe that's what we need. Weapons firer detected. Threat level 2. Okay, cool. Let's get into it. Let's see what we can find in here. Okay, come here, you little, stupid little fucking sidewinders. Great. Which they can wreak havoc on you. Anaconda? Cool. Come here, big boy. Yeah, that's what we need. Okay. Come here, big boy. You gotta be 100 grand. Let's just fire everything at you we got. Thank you, RMG of the game. We don't care. We want them to get destroyed. We just gonna fire everything we got. It gotta be worth 100,000. Firing off a shield bank. At least that's working. Fire off one of them to cool it down a little bit. Come on, man. Get that sucker. Come on. You can do it, game. Whoop. We don't want our shields to drop. Critical heat. We got any more heat sinks? Yep, we got one more. Come on, baby. You can do it. I'm firing like a biscuit at you. There we go. 1,200. Oh man, that can't be right. Oh my God. What about the Viper? The joke's on me, ain't it? Alright, 16,000. We didn't scan the other ones. Alright, Viper. I need to scan the other ones. Allied Police Forces. Cobra, Mark McGuire. Where the hell is he at? Daniel McGuire. Novus. Wanted. How much are the bounties? 12,500. Alright, well, we can stay here until we get them all. That ain't gonna fucking help. But we might as well do whatever we want to do. Give me some more damn heat shield, man. Jesus. Just fire at them. Yeehaw. And of course, you're going to escape. And Bluey. Come on, blow up. Well, I'll take that. Where's the other Viper at? I can't believe that guy was only 1,200 bucks. That's crazy. Would you kill him already? Got hit with that big ass cannon. Okay. 33. How much does that give us? A bunch. But it don't look like quite enough. Whoops. That's not a wanted dude, right? That's a armed forces guy. Yeah, thanks for helping, brother. Okay. Let's go see what else we can get into. Go ahead and shield boost up. We're heading toward the sun, right? Where the hell is it? Slow it on down a little bit. Maybe we'll get another signal source or something. Nothing's ever easy. Let me do some quick admin in my head on it and see if that was enough. Alright. 535. 45, 48, 58, 57, 56, 66, 76, 78. Yeah, we don't have enough. We still need about 25 grand if they count those. Let's go see if we got any more signal sources. Nope. But we can hit the nav beacon too, so that ain't a big deal. Although it ought to be showing up. What's that right there? Nav beacon. There we go. Right there. Click. Slow it down a little bit. Is that just from the sun, or is that going to make me slow down? Yeah, it's going to make me slow down. Biscuit. Okay. I don't have my headphones on either, so I got the chat box up too. But anyway, this is a, looking at the little circle thingy, sorry. Engineering everything to either heat loss or whatever. And I'm trying to get a quick little bounty for 100,000 to unlock Todd. I thought we already had him unlocked, but like I said, it's hard to remember one account from the other. Where the hell you at? What you doing? So, but we'll unlock him. We'll go do our rolls. At least it ain't like it used to be, where you gotta do 100 rolls to get anything decent. So, amen to that. That's a good thing. Bad thing is, every time you build a ship, it takes so much longer to upgrade it. So, they say making the experience more enjoyable and like that, but that ain't really true. But we can get some scan data in here too, so that'll be a good thing. Hopefully there's something in here that's one. Only need about 30 grand more if it's anything. Alright, there's a hauler. Honor Diamondback Scout ought to be a little bit better. Where you at? Over here. Well, there he is. Of course, with a name like Honor, he's not going to be wanted, is he? Nope. Target. That's a good name for a target. That would be hard coming up on all these names and everything like that. A lot of people think that shit's easy, but it ain't. Would you scan him already? Oh, crap. Trick, Dolphin. Dolphin ain't no damn wanting dude. Viper. Recluse. Hauler. We don't care what it is. I'll take a damn Trick Dolphin. That could be a trick or treat there. Just give me a wanted dude, please. This is getting stupid. I had that wide scan crap on one of these accounts too, and I did not like it. Don't go with good big ships. There's a repulse by an Eagle. Dangerous and clean. Oh my god. Don't tell me about no damn hauler. Hauler. Where's the hauler at? Hauler's got to be clean too. Can't be nothing stupid. He ain't gonna be worth no money. Sidewinder. Where's the Sidewinder at? Let's go back to balance power. Everybody's clean. My god. There's a kill back. Okay. Diamondback Explorer. And clean. There's the hauler over here. Is he clean? Probably. Mostly harmless. Wow. Ooh, this don't bite. Let's go back over here, get rid of this thing. Boost up the engines. There's a kill back. Another one. What the hell are they doing in here? Clean. Thank you. Oh, Limbo. Federal gunship. That's what we need. Please be wanted. I bet you ain't either though. Oh yes, you are. Nice. Okay. That's what we need right there. Balance the power. Weapons up. This will get us there. I know it will. I hope so. I ain't got time to sit there and look, but we're just going to fire everything in we got. Real quick, like, probably going to be another $1,200 little fine thingy. It wasn't going to let me have it off that easy. Come on, baby. Okay, that should be it. Blow up already. Okay, let's go see Todd now. Damn it. That was a bunch of crap, wasn't it? You know, like I said, nothing ever goes smooth in this game. You forget where you're at and what the hell you're doing sometimes. Now we gotta really do all them damn rolls. Okay, we need to go get, where the hell was it? Over here. Okay, set filters. We want just the stations and the set it and like that. And then we want trophy camp right there. Let's go see him. And I already landed there once. And I was like, oh, you gotta donate some bounty vouchers to get started. And you know, I could have swore these damn things were already engineered something. I don't even know, but maybe I'm just stupid. They got left out of the fray, I know that, because the multi-cannon is a big Type 4 on here, and I didn't. It is not like me not to engineer that. But whatever. Ought to do. Maybe I needed materials or something, who knows. Slow her down there, buddy. Back up here. Back around. But anyway, takes a little bit longer, but we can do it. We'll just call this the lunchtime power hour or something like that. But again, it was about the engineering, everything efficient, heat loss and stuff like that. This is going to be Anaconda Guardian Power Plant, Guardian Power Distributor build. The Guardian Power Distributor is not on here yet. And I don't even know if the power distributor on here is charge enhanced or whatnot. I believe it is. Well, actually, we can go take a look, can't we? Let's see here. We can do this real fast. Well, no, we ain't either. Every time I do that shit, I'll be crashing into the side of the plane or something, or bypassing it, not landing where I need to land at. Okay. It's going to be direct right here, so we're going to take an under approach. Come in at like 30 degrees, so we don't have to jump forever in a day to get to the planet. You need to come down a little bit more and make my little angle a little bit more flatter. That ain't going to do it. That's not going to do it. This might do it at the last minute, hopefully. Still pretty damn sharp, though. I bet you we're going to get the red. Slow her down a little bit, so I got time to adjust it if I need it. Come on, baby. Stay up above 30 degrees. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Or 55 degrees, not 30 degrees. Okay. We're actually doing good. And I'm cutting her down a notch on the power there. But anyway, we're here to do the cannon, and the multi-cannon is efficient. So we're going to start with that. The multi-cannon is not even engineered at all. So I got enough to do that. And I think I got enough to do the auto reload feature on it, which will do that. But this will help the damage and everything else better. But like I said, this is a grindy ass game, boy. But it's fun. I mean, it gives you something to do, I guess. That isn't just rot it out. That's a long story, what I mean by that. Well, you know, the pay-to-play stuff, man, or the free-to-play stuff is like a joke, because it ain't really free-to-play. If you're going to be competitive in it or have fun in it, you're going to have to cough up some bucks out of the wallet, most likely. But with that, I'm going to take a little break here. Smoke a cigarette and all that kind of stuff, and then we'll be right back. So I'm going to put this over here and be right back, and I'm going to mute the mic on the thingy here so it's right in front of my face so I see it.
Landing gear deployed.
Procedure completed. Ship secured. Greetings, Commander.
Okay, cut that back on, cut this back off. Let's get to rolling some dice here, see how we make out. Whoop. Desktop audio down. Knock off to be right back. Okay. Put him back over here. And here we go. I can't believe I didn't have him unlocked yet. Contact is unavailable, but that's alright. Please donate all. Yes, I guess they did all count. So that's good. Alright, multi-cannons. This is the big one, that's why this must, and I'm just doing efficient weapons because, again, thermal load. And we're going to have to roll our backsides off, but I got 65 rolls I can do on this to build reputation, so not a problem. But it's a bad thing because I didn't probably bring enough stuff for the Type 5s, but that's alright. Okay, here we got the 2 finally. Got 11 heat dispersion plates, which I'll burn them here if I have to and go get some more. We just want to get this one done. Okay. Come on, grade 3. I know it's going to make me burn them up. Didn't bring enough. That's alright. Oh well. We'll do the best we can on the cannon. But the cannon's not the big thing. It's not really a power monster like this one is. Or would be, because it's a 4, basically. I have to watch that, too, because sometimes this gets off when you're poking around or whatever. Are you kidding me? Finally. We can roll the shit out of this one, though. Don't ask me how I got so lopsided in the materials. It's just weird. I just hope we got enough to do some of the cannon anyway. I gotta do one more, I guess. Make sure it's selected. Not enough. Okay, select that again. This should give us type 5. There we go. Alright, got 3. We can do 3 rolls here, which ain't gonna finish it, but it'll get us started. I should have probably roll one more 4, but that's okay. This will get around pretty far, and I'll just pin it. I don't have no more cadmium, so that's alright. Alright, let's go back. That's like halfway there, so we're at I don't know what the hell we are actually. It's hard to tell. 0.71, 0.63. I guess that's what you can go to. 0.22, 0.20. 0.22. What is that thermal load? 0.20, down 60%, 28, 29 seconds. I don't know. Or what it can be, but we'll see what it is. Okay. Let's do some cannons. We can do 2. We might have enough. I don't know. Well, we need efficient first. Select that. Generate. Make sure before I start screwing up something. Alright, see, this one is blasting through. I probably should have done this one first, but that's okay. We don't care. Too late now. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Okay, and then generate modification. I thought it was going to 3, but it's not going to go do that, is it? Okay. Alright, let's go back to multi-cannons. Select efficient weapon. Let's see where it is. I can't see nothing. Let's get the contact and get rid of them bounty hunters. Stuff. Hopefully get rid of some of them. Okay, outfitting. I don't know where else to go to see what this is. I guess I could have done show modifications up to that top right on the modules, but this is just easier to get there. Either way works. And we'll see what it is. But it ought to help with the power draw and all that stuff, because when you get into outfitting, it'll tell you the power draw down here. But it'll have the recent and what it is. No wonder we were having such a problem getting back when I got one pip to the engines. Okay, we're at 41. We can go to 47. Okay, so that's all good. Let's do hard points. Let's do that. Let's do modifications. Alright, unmodified. It's 122 and it only draws 0.71. Our damage per second, 23.3, has been increased to 28.5. Our damage from 3.5 to 4.2 plus 22% plus minus 40.3%. And thermal load is minus 56%. So that's good. Okay. And our cannon. Get back, damn it. Okay. Modifications. Our cannon is 40 watts, is down 12% on that one. Damage per second is plus 12%, which is good. Damage 22 from 19.8, which ain't really that much. 15% less distributor draw, and the thermal load is 40% less. Wow, that'll help big time. Alright, while I'm in here, let's check these out. And do these guys got burst laser or beam lasers? I don't know. Barrel shot. Nope. Of course not. Okay, let's see here. I don't know where we need to go do these or not. I don't want to do that. I want this one, but I want to see modifications. Alright, we're efficient level 3. Okay. So I'll take him. Alright, let's go stick on our auto reload on the this one. Okay. Experimental effect. I can add, okay, right here on the right. Upgrade that automatically reloads the weapon when firing attributes. Okay, oversized. Damage per second. Power draw, plus 5%. Flow control. We'll have no mechanical scrap anyway, it don't matter. Strip down. Mass is minus 14. Key components replaced to this. Smart rounds. What the hell is a smart round? It don't matter. Corrosive shells. We don't have enough of that crap either. Thermal shock. emissive, multi-servos. I came prepared to do this one. So let's do that. This modification has been effected. Now, I don't know. Has it been done? Is that what that means? Okay. Oh, I know how to tell it's going here. Look. Yep. Cool, right there. Alright. Good. Cold smoke. That doesn't have any side effects as far as the other stuff does. I actually need to go get some beam lasers though. But those pulse lasers have been upgraded and stuff like that. So we'll just stop her here because we did get the efficient weapon and we got the cannons upgraded too. We don't need to come back here either, do we? I can go ahead and I think I can put that on here too and put that side effect on here. I think we can go ahead and do that. I don't have the shit to do it though. Oversized. Nope. 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 Ooh. Strip down. Key components replace a version of this craft from lightweight materials and all extraneous parts. Moved entirely to remove mass. Okay, let's do this one. Okay. What's our jump range now? That should help. 25. We did go up a couple layers. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, anyway, take care. We'll catch you next time. That was a in-depth kind of you saw me do the multi-cannons, but it was an in-depth thingy. I'll go back over it again at the end of the video so everybody can see what is going on here. I have to hide this chat box thingy. I can bring him over here too. Okay, what we're doing is, and if you take a look at this over here, okay, it's thrusters clean, sensors lightweight, beam lasers efficient, burst lasers efficient, cannon efficient, frame ship wafer fast scan, multi-cannon efficient, shield booster heavy duty, and shield generator enhanced low power. What I'm trying to do is remove the power and the you know what else we forgot to do? We got to go see a Felicity or Farseer, so we're not done yet. So let me take that off. Let's go see Felicity and finish out that to keep this documented. But anyway, that's what's up. Okay, and we're gonna post in, get this out of my face over here. Bring the chat box back up. I thought we was gonna be done, but we're not, because I totally forgot about Felicity, and there was a couple upgrades. I can't remember what she can do, but she can do something that we ain't currently already got. I just know that. I should write this shit down. Maybe one day I will. Oh, that's like a joke. Okay, Felicity, we already seen Elvira, so Felicity wasn't that far away. But let's go see her. Oh, yeah, it's down to the damn right, so we ain't gonna be able to see it. So we're gonna launch out of here. Pick something local so we can just boost. What was it? Shields maybe? Or thrusters? I'm not sure which. One of them could be turned into a grade 3. Which is a big significant increase over what we already have. Let's just do balance power. Our powered engines actually getting me out of here. Come on, baby, you can do it. There we go. Frame shift drives a lot faster. Well, in the same sub whatever cruise you call it, I guess. Okay. 6 jumps to DC out, but we got to get up enough to where we can see it. As soon as the red clears off the planet, I'll stick it in there. I've learned my lesson about that. It takes forever. If you don't, you have to like hug the planet, and then you get into the gravity swell and all that stuff. So we'll just wait till it gets up. Sure is taking its time though. That's probably because I stuck that other damn thing in here, Gibson's Prospect or something like that. Because your target has a lot to do with that, but we can unselect the target, so maybe it'll be faster. Well, it did speed up, didn't it? I'll take that. Alright, galaxy map. And Felicity, where are you? Here we are, plot route. Exit. Can we get over there and see her now? Anyway, back to what I was saying. It's all clean drives. I can check and make sure this stuff is correct. I can move this over here on this monitor. I hate moving stuff around the monitors and stuff because I can't see nothing. I'm just going to hide the chat box. I don't care about it. Nobody's in there watching this shit anyway. Engineers. Let's see here. Now you're going to be slow on me. Okay, Felicity. Felicity can do the thrusters to grade 3, and Elvira can only do thrusters to grade 2. That's what it was. And that's it. She can do grade 1 shield boosters, but I think the other one can too. No, she didn't. Okay. We can do the shield boosters too, which I don't know if we have all them or not, but hopefully we got some materials. Basically, I guess materials amounts or burning holes in our pockets, you can call it, or whatever like that. This thing handles a lot better though, just with a little bit of changes that I made so far. Y'all see that? That was nice. Little swing around there. It's almost like flying a little Cobra or something. This is just my idea. Before you do anything and make major changes, and when your materials are close, let's see how this works out. Okay. Grade 3 thrusters. The sensors maybe grade 3. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that she can do that the other one can't do, so that's why we came over here. And I don't know if we got enough. We'll just see. I'm doing either lightweight or, you know, everything mass reduction or whatever. I ain't doing no wide angle crap though. I learned my lesson about that. That's for fast ships, not this crazy thing. But again, you know, you have to, your style and everything else, you mature on your ship's handling and stuff like that. These big bulky battleships are a whole lot different than like an FDL or something. Heat dispersion is better too. Okay, so we got that. Alright, so we got the shields. We can upgrade them. I'm just comparing the two. Thrusters upgrade, sensors upgrade. Don't care about the shield, the grade 1 shield boosters. Okay, which she can do. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, but that's why we wanted to come see her. And we got sidetracked because we had to unlaunch shithead's ass with the thingy power plant, diesel sensors, power distributor. I'm just looking where we're going next. I guess the next target is Lichang, which we have to do that 50 trade market crap. I'll get the damn box thingy out or something and go do an economical route or something like that and just drop off food and real quick. I'll probably do that offline. Let's see, endurance, mine launcher sensors. Really, that's all we need. I mean, nothing else these guys can really help us with. Oh, the pulse lasers and the beam lasers and the thing the Dweller can do those. I didn't see that. But we got Brute Tarquin unlocked in here, so we don't care about that. We need to get the beam lasers though. But right now I'm going to leave it and we'll see how it works out. I don't know how I got those. Let me get parked around here where I can get around this sun real quick. Slow her down a little bit and do some... what I'm interested in is the modules here, or the pulse lasers. I don't remember if I did them or not with anything. If they're already efficient, there's probably no... They're grade 1s, but probably no real reason to even change them. I mean, we can put some beam lasers on here and just go see Bruce, man, and the little side effects, but I don't want to do nothing right now. Let's go see Felicity first, one thing at a time. As I get ahead of myself, that's how I start getting lost. Police, how many more jumps do we have? I don't know. That was 2 or 3. I think it was 6 jumps out of the gate. Okay, let's see here. One more jump. Okay. We got heat sink, so we can do that, and then Let's go, let's go, let's go. That 75% is gonna make me do that anyway, so might as well just do it and bite the bone. I'll have to wait till I get there. We'll just go into the engineering shop and look at the side effects and stuff that I can stick on stuff. Okay, thrusters. We're gonna go from grade 2 thrusters to grade 3. Lightweight sensors. Don't care about the shield boosters. She can do shield boosters grade 1, and I don't know if there's a lightweight or something, but we're going to do that anyway. I'll add another shield booster if I can. The shield cell banks I already did on board because we went to Elvira. So that's it. The interdictor and the power plant, we ain't touching that. Well, we already got pretty good on that, I think. Well, it's Guardian, right? Yeah, it don't matter because it is Guardian. Hell, I don't remember these damn modules. Cargo rack, Guardian hybrid power plant. Yep, so we don't touch that. And of course, you're way the hell out here. Alright, so again, thrusters first, sensors second, shield boosters third, and that's it. And that'll pretty much do it here. And I'm glad I remembered to come see her, because that multi-cannon turn shit into me was just kind of weird. And we got Selena Jean open now to get the DD vitamin, but who the hell wants to do that? That's the shield boosters grade 5 and the shield generator grade 3. Hull armor. You gotta mine at least 500 tons, but we'll do that. We have to get the military grade armor, I think, maybe, or lightweight armor or something with deep plating or something. I don't know. We'll figure that out. We have lightweight on here, so blast resistant lightweight. Okay, we can do military grade and make it lightweight, I think. I'll have to see what this tonnage weighs. I don't know what the deal is with that. We gotta make some money to put the military grade stuff on here, which probably, I don't even know how much that would be. Let me look at that too while we're here. Let's see here, where can I find that at? Head shipyard maybe? Yeah. You know where we can do that at? Rogues is the best one for that one, actually. Is Rogues on here? Yeah, I got it right here. Okay, cool. Okay, equipment. I'm just paying attention so I don't go flying off of here or something. That's all. Okay, armor. Military grade. It ain't telling me nothing. Class 1. Okay, it used to have a ship that would pop up in there. Username and password. Let's do this. Pause on this site. Do a refresh. Click over here and not bypass my planet like an idiot. Okay, we're still at a pretty good angle, so that'll work. That's just ads. I figured it would still help, but it doesn't help. So we can't do it there, but we can do in a head shipyard. Let's go back to that. Where's ads? Boo. I know I got it on here somewhere. I'll check it out in a minute. I can't see. There it is, right there. Head shipyard. Speed up a little bit. Go down. And then up. And you still ain't going to be enough, so we're going to have to swoop around. Okay. Going up to 0 or whatever. Minus 10, 5, whatever. Come swooping around. I speed it up a little bit. No, 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 donut, 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 no, 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 of sight still. There it is. Oh. Curve this way, yep. I do that too sharp. I'm gonna buzz my speed and stuff and get sucked out in the planet. Okay. Once I start my glide, I'll go look at edge real quick. I'm looking at how much the armor is and what we got in the way of credits. You went to W. Why'd you do that? There we go. Come back down here. That thing is getting really weird. Anaconda's got to be at the top. Yeah, of course it is. Alright. An empty, hard, lightweight alloy. Military grade. 132 million. Whew. So, with the 15% discount, 1,500 grand would be 15. What did I say? 115 million? That's 100, about 90 million. That's still a hell of a lot, boy. What do we say? 115? You know what? I'm gonna do it a damn calculator. I can't add. Just get me a little bit closer where I can do the auto duck. There you go. Thank you. Slow it down. Okay. What was the price of that military grade armor? 132, 272. 132, 272, 510 times 0.85. 112 million. We don't have that much. Nowhere near that much. And it would take us about 4 trips to get it. Don't want the one. Get out of there. Yeah, we got a lot to do on that one. So we need 112 plus the buyback, about 150 before we'd even start thinking about it. And I do not feel like grinding that up, but we probably should some point in time. Okay. Before we unlock Selena Genie. That's the note part that I gotta remember and stuff, so. Okay, engineer's workshop, what did we say? The engines, we have 2 dirty clean drive tuning, so we want clean drive tuning. We want 3 generate modifications, we got it. Okay. Okay. Oh, we don't have no more conductive components, but that's alright, we're so close. Okay. Let's see what these are. I'm not going to put them down. Drive distributors, optimal mass, plus 10%. Integrity. Optimal multiplier, I don't know what that means. In order to solve or increase the thrust output and additional heat generation at the cost of additional, we don't want that stripped down. Key components, replacement versions crafted from lightweight materials. Parts removed, entirely reduced mass. Thermal spread mass. We don't want that. Mass minus 10%. I'll take that one. Okay. Shield boosters. We got so many of them. We ain't done a damn one yet. Okay. Blast resistant. We don't want blast resistant. Heat kinetic. Okay. Explosive resistance. Heavy duty. Integrity and mass goes up. Kinetic resistance goes up. Kinetic thermal resistance and explosive resistance goes up. Resistance augmented. Power draw is more like 5% explosive resistance. Okay, everything you do is just not good. And we need grist resistors to do that one about resistant augmenting. It'd be phosphorus. Power draw 5%, integrity 4%, thermal resistance, explosive resistance 5, resistance augmented. Okay, heavy duty 3%, 12% shield boost. Thermal resistance, kinetic resistance plus 5%. That's a lot of power. We can do this one, so we'll just do what we can do, I guess. Shield boost plus 3%. Flow control. Oh, security firmware patches. You stupid little thingy. Thermal block. Force block. Shield boost. Double braced. We don't care about that. Super capacitors. And flow control. None. Wasn't gonna let me force that one in, was it? Oh, sensors. Long range scanner. So let's change these to. Let's just finish it. How about that? Like the long range scanner. That's pretty cool. Ooh, wait a minute now. 256 tons for that? What does this do? Target scan. I wish I could see what they do. Mass 20%. Mass 60% up. Oof. Mass 15%. 50% down. We need manganese to do that though. We already got them on this one. So let's just finish it out, I guess. Gonna generate heat, but that's alright. I don't understand the long range. Let's get out of here and look what the hell it does. Who knows? Engineer's Workshop. I didn't even check out all the shield boosters anyway. Select. Resistance augmented. Might as well put something on them, I guess. That's the only thing I got to do right now. Which is stupid, but a little bit helps anything. Okay, I guess they're all done. Didn't really want to do that because that kind of defeats our purposes, but with the other stuff, the way they are, should kind of balance out. Let's see here. I guess the first thing we need to check out is that. Still 25, 26, so that's good. There was something else. Oh, outfitting. We're going to check out something. Long range scanners, that's it. to see what the detriments are and all that kind of stuff. So versus lightweight, which I can't do anyway because I don't have any manganese. So okay, core internal sensors modifications. Okay, mission range, scan angle, mass, long range scanner, typical emission range. So the scanning part has been raised up 45%. That's a lot. 7.68 to 4. That's a lot. That probably does help more than it hurts. Okay, so you can sit back and do when you're doing your part of getting the supplies you need. That helps. Anyway, that's all we got for you today. Let me check the chat box before we go. Good day. Not a purpose, Christopher. I just saw you up here. Hope you were still around. Basically, I'm trying to do a lightweight build. It's a combination to get the I don't know what you call it. I have the Guardian power plant on here, and I'm probably going to put the distributor on here, but it's a 0.5 mass, so I'm changing everything up to where I can just do balance of power. And then we went to basically, to answer your question, efficient or lightweight to reduce the mass, but I did the long range is already level 3 with Felicity Farseer, but I need manganese, and I'm probably going to make that lightweight. But what I need to research is, do I still get the increased distance on the scan with the sensors? Let me see, with the lightweight sensors. Okay, scan angle, integrity, and mass. Lowers the mass of the scanner by narrowing the positive scanning angle and decreasing the integrity. Okay, but when I'm sitting in them stupid hazmat fields, okay, with what I have, which I don't like because, like I said, the heat of them stupid Guardian modules are bad. And I know, yeah, just go outfit them, but I don't feel like doing all that because there's 3 accounts and long story there. But what's nice to have, where was it? Here. This is just for the sensors now. Where's the modifications? Whoop, I didn't want to buy nothing. Sensors, I'm sorry. I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. Alright, this 7.868, is that? Yeah, 6.8 there. To 11.1, it's 45% on the range of that. But the problem I have, see this mass is 256 tons. Okay, that's a lot. And then the scan angle is 20% less, but that's not a big whoop. But that is nice, but that's a lot of weight there. But 256 tons for the whole weight of the ship, and I don't know how I could see that, if anything, anywhere. Okay, integrity. Ship specs right here. Total mass 3,000 tons. So 200 tons. Well, let's just see, figure out a percentage weight, what that is. What'd I say? 3, and I don't even understand that. Total mass. What does these 3 numbers mean? Jump, minimum, maximum tons. Total mass. I don't get that. If it's 200 tons out of 1,300 tons, that's a lot. And this one and this one, I don't understand what these are. It's got to be fully loaded, 3,045 tons. And now I'm lost. Let's see here. Let me look at Ed's real quick. I can tell on there. I gotta see it for myself. No offense, but. Alright, mass 400 tons, and then as you start upgrading it, it gets to be 1126. So what we'll do is we'll just throw in some upgrades real quick on here to see what we can get it up to. But it's 1351, 1458, and 3045.6, which is what? Cargo loaded? Alright, jump laden is the jump minimum, the current, and the maximum that you can get. Okay, so the mass must be the minimum, the current 1458, and the maximum that you can put in here. Maybe is what I'm thinking. But let me throw in. I'll just go down and throw some stuff in. I have an Anaconda build up here. Okay, D7A thrusters, frame shift drives is 6A, life support 5D, 8A power distributor, 8A sensors, what's that make my mass go up to? Anything? Stats in total. I'm having a hard time figuring this one out. We got a bunch of shield generator. That'll tell me which number goes up right here. Shield generator, all reinforcement. Where are you at? Shield cell bank, shield generators, 6A. How much do you go up on the mass? Did you change it all? 1034, 1180. Okay, 1034, 1180. We're back to 70. See if anything changes. Nope. It's just the second number on the thingy changes and not the damn cost of the stuff. Let me throw in the heaviest one, which is a 6B. 1204. Yeah, it's got to be the second number, so the 1458 I think is where we're currently at. And I think that's a maximum I can go to. So we'll just do it 1450 divided by 250. 5% of that total is nothing but sensors. So I don't know if I can do, the only other thing I can think about is if I can do a side effect maybe with the sensors. Whoop, not that way. Select. What kind of side effects do we got? There are no yeah, so there's nothing you can do with them. But that's such a mass target scan angle. So you get a bigger angle here, you lose a lot of mass, boy. Minus 50%, that's 80 tons versus 256. This is 256, so I guess currently it would be 256. And it would drop down all the way to 80, about 25% of that. But the scan distance is not going to be the same. And this one just sucks. This one's for smaller ships. Power draw and the emission rate. Minus 12%. The distance gets sucked with this one. I guess that's what that emission means right there. But it's 11.1 kilometers is what I got. Slight distance now. I'll just leave it alone. We'll see how this acts. If I don't like it, I can always change it later. Only because I don't have the manganese. But anyway, that's what I was trying to figure out, Mr. Chris. But not anything in particular. But anyway, we're getting ready to get off of here and stuff. So I'm just trying to figure out all around, all purpose, I guess. As way. And good day to you, Christopher. Take care, man. Anyway, everybody, that's it. Made this for just engineering rounds. Rethinking the Guardian power distributor and power plant. Heat loss on the scans and things like that. So that's where we're at. The long range scans though, might have to bite the bullet on that and just try to do it somewhere else, but I don't know. How could I figure this out? The module part, I mean, they don't weigh that much, and that probably isn't that much out of it, but that kind of sort of is. And we're on our way up, so we're not doing bad. We're getting the stuff engineered. I got a 6B bank thingy that I need to do. Can I do shield banks here? I need to pin that blueprint if I can. Shield boosters. Nope. Unfortunately not. Okay. Don't matter. Anyway, we'll take care, everybody. We'll catch you next time. Hopefully this was informative on what you can do. Take care. Bye-bye.